Why did the Supreme Court summon Yoga Guru Ramdev and Patanjali MD? How can Patanjali claim to completely cure blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis, asthma and obesity? Why did Patanjali apologize to the Supreme Court? Above all, is Patanjali misleading you about its medicines? On the whole story, let's try to understand this entire controversy. On March 21, Patanjali Ayurved's Managing Director Acharya Balkrishna offered an unconditional apology to the Supreme Court for issuing misleading advertisements about its products and medicines and for repeatedly questioning modern medicine. Now, this happened 2 days after an angry Supreme Court summoned him and Yoga Guru Ramdev to appear in court. Patanjali's MD apologized to the court, saying that he regrets the company's advertisements containing the quote-unquote offending sentences. Acharya Balkrishna said that he will ensure that such ads are not issued in the future, clarifying that the idea is only to urge people to lead a healthier life by consuming Ayurveda products. So what is this case all about? Why is Patanjali saying sorry? The case was filed by the Indian Medical Association alleging a smear campaign by Patanjali and its founder Baba Ramdev against the COVID-19 vaccination drive and modern medicine. In November last year, the Supreme Court threatened to impose costs of 1 crore rupee per false claim made in each advertisement for Patanjali Ayurveda products that claim to cure diseases. Following this, Patanjali's counsel had assured the court that there shall be no violation of any law, especially relating to advertising or branding of products manufactured and marketed by Patanjali, and there will be no casual statements claiming medicinal efficacy or against any system of medicine will be released in the media in any form. However, since such ads continued to be published even after that, the Supreme Court on February 27 this year imposed a temporary ban on advertisements of Patanjali Ayurved's medicines for ailments like blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis, asthma and obesity, among others, and also issued contempt of order notices to the company and Balakrishna for making misleading claims. In a scathing observation, the top court had observed that Patanjali has been taking the country for a ride by falsely claiming that its medicines cure certain diseases despite no empirical evidence for the same. The court said, and I quote, "What do you mean by permanent relief? Is it a cure? You can't say your medicines or drugs cure a particular disease. Allopathy cannot be degraded or defamed in the eyes of the public like this. You cannot criticize any other method of treatment like allopathy." Unquote. The Supreme Court bench also came down heavily on the centre for sitting with eyes closed while the country was being taken for a ride. Earlier during COVID, the Indian Medical Association and Baba Ramdev were at loggerheads for the advertisement of Patanjali's Coronil tablets. Baba Ramdev's firm had also proposed the addition of Coronil tablets in the COVID-19 kit in Uttarakhand. However, IMA had rejected the proposal, saying that Coronil was not approved by the WHO. Ramdev and Patanjali MD have been asked to appear before the Supreme Court on 2nd of April.